the north where ravens fly, where ancient gods refuse to die. A tale of thunder, spear and flame, whispered through eternal rain. Odin sits upon his throne, one eye given wisdom grown. Hugin moon encircle wide, secrets of the world they find. He hung upon the Yggdrasil, 9 long nights to bend his will. Runes of power, runes of fate, written by the hands of hate. Valhalla calls the brave tonight. War is rising to the light. Sons of Asgard, born of thunder, Mjolnir strikes and worlds fall under. Odin's spear will never break. Thor rides forth for glory's sake. Sons of Asgard, blood of legends, Ragnarök will meet its ending. Gods of old will never fall. Hear the North forever call. For the mighty grips his hammer, lightning cracks through battle clamor. Across the Bifrost rainbow bridge, he guards the realm upon the ridge. Fenrir howls beneath his chains, Loki plots in shadowed plains. The serpent stirs beneath the sea, the end of all is yet to be. Valhalla calls the brave tonight. War is rising to the light. Sons of Asgard, born of thunder, Mjolnir strikes and worlds fall under. Odin's spear will never break. Thor rides forth for glory's sake. Sons of Asgard, blood of legends, Ragnarök will meet its ending. Gods of old will never fall. Hear the North forever call. When the final horn is blown and the gods face fade alone, Odin meets the wolf's cold eyes. Thor and serpent